Just seeing Shyam and hearing Shyam and being with Shyam, that gives her the greatest pleasure. So she's just looking, oh, how can I serve Krishna this way, with this flower, or this or that? So as soon as she sits down, with her own hands, she starts decorating Shyamastandar. That's why it says, Radha Kara Karavichita. So the devotees, they read this verse, and the Radha Kara, and then the Pallava, and then this whole Leela sprouted up to describe the verse. And this is being recounted here. Shyamastandar and the Sakhis are overwhelmed with ecstasy, and the birds begin to chirp the glories of Radha. Radha, so he's putting each line of the verse, he's putting into a sequence of what the Leela I just read. Because first it's Radhakara, then Radhapada. She's picking flowers, she's wandering, and their fame, the birds are singing their fame, and that's the whole verse. So I'll just read the verse again. Oh my mind, please find pleasure in Radha's play forest. If I cannot directly experience Radha's loving pastimes, then let me remember Sri Vrindavan and mentally witness these sweet nectarine pastimes. So that's the prayer to the mind. Oh mind, can't you show me a sporty? Will you ever show me? Kada, we say, Nayanam Galadasha Ashudarya, Vadanam Gadgada Vriya Gira, Pulakar Nichitam Babu, Kada, oh my Lord! Gauranga is praying, oh Shyam, oh Krishna, oh Jagadish, oh Krishna, oh Govinda, when will I cry when I call your name? When will my hair stand an end? When will I have some experiences of bhav? This is in Shikshastakam. So he's telling the mind, oh mind, when will you show me the pastimes of Radha and Krishna? You've heard about them, you've read them, you've seen them animated. Please, everything is there inside of you. Mind, oh my mind. Mano me, Radha Vihara Vipane Ramatam Mano me. Please, my mind, listen to me at least once in my whole life. Show me the pastimes of Radha and Krishna. Find pleasure there. And if I can't, okay, if you won't show me, and if I can't directly experience those pastimes and be there, my Siddha Swarup as a manjari, directly hearing Radharani's laughter and hearing Vishaka's statements, and walking in front of Radha and Krishna as they're walking down the pathway and sprinkling flower petals and throwing rose water to soften and make the pathway fragrant. If I can't enter that Leela in my Bhava Vesh because I'm far from Bhav, then let me at least remember, oh mind, you give remembrance, so give me remembrance this Leela. You give me the purity to see the Leela with the Dristi, Mano Dristi. So someday give me the Dristi. So this is the beautiful prayer he's saying here. Radha Karavachita Palava Valavike, Radha Padam Kavilasan Madarastalike, Radha Yasho Mukara Matta Kagavalike, Radha Vihar Vipane Ramatam Manome. So this is verse 14 concludes today, and then tomorrow we'll have another verse from Radharasa Sudhanidhi.